All right, let's do past paper, May, June 2020. Question number 3. Try to finish this paper today, I think.
Ừ.
And then a particle of mass 2.5 kilogram is held in equilibrium on a rough plane. Okay. Inclined 20 degrees horizontal by a force of magnitude T Newton. Okay. So it's held up by this T Newton force, angle of 60 Newton, 60 degrees to the line with the slope. You are provided mu, it's 0.3. And you have to find the greatest and least possible value of T. So you know, of course, that T can act um, because of friction. You don't know going up or going down, right? So it affected
Dạ.
also. Khi mà cái friction đi xuống hay là đi lên á, nó cũng có thể ảnh hưởng cái T, cái giá trị lớn nhất và còn nhỏ nhất của cái T. So probably just it is 8 marks. Oh my God, it's a lot.
Ừ.
8 điểm một đống luôn á. Tại vì nó dài, nó chia hai trường hợp nè. So try to split into two cases now. All right, let's see now. What they say false not found. Moment, let me um moment please. It's a weird thing going on this website. I think I cannot full screen this one. Okay, but anyway. Question number 4,
No, we do question 3.
sorry. It's T equal to 6.26 minimum or
Ừ.
maximum is 20.5. You get the same thing?
Dạ, I got the same thing.
Oh my God. It's just long. All right. So yeah, it's not too hard. Okay, for number 4, small smooth sphere A and B of equal radii. You know, radii is basically radius, but plural form, you know. Số nhiều với radius á, bán kính bằng nhau. So they have equal radii, they should have the same volume, right?
Ừ.
Thể tích luôn. And of the mass is 4 kilogram and 2 kilogram respectively. So A is 4 kilogram, B is 2 kilograms. Lie on a smooth horizontal plane. Initially, B is at rest and A is moving toward B with its speed. After the sphere collide, A continue to move in the same direction but with half the speed of B. Nói chung là lúc đầu B thì nó đứng yên, A đang di chuyển một hướng B với cái VA là 10 mét trên giây. Sau khi cái sphere A, cái sphere nó đâm vào nhau á, thì Y nó tiếp tục nó di chuyển trong cùng cái hướng đó luôn. Tức là sao? Cái B nó cũng phải di chuyển về cái hướng đó luôn đấy.
Ừ.
Of course, tại hai cái đâm đâm vào nhau, một cái A mà nó vẫn tiếp tục di chuyển hướng đó, suy ra được là cái động lượng của nó quá lớn và nó cũng sẽ gây ra cho cái B nó di chuyển hướng đó luôn. So B has to move the same way because if the momentum of A is too great, I think. However, but would have the speed of B. So it means that VB final will be only like well, 2 times of VA final, right? Be careful with this
Ừ.
one. So
Dạ.
VA afterwards is only half of the speed of B afterwards, right?
Dạ.
All right, so find the speed of B after the collision is 2 marks. Tìm tốc độ B sau va chạm 2 điểm. And then the third small smooth sphere C of mass 1 kilogram with the same radius. Nó cùng thể tích nha, tại vì cùng radius. Same radius, same volume, but with different mass. It's at rest on the plane. B now collide directly with C. Cái B sau cái va chạm vừa rồi á, bây giờ nó lại va chạm trực tiếp với C luôn. So now B after the collision they collide directly with C. After this collision, B continued to move in the same direction but with 1/3 the speed of C. Ha. Nó giống như là nó bắt cầu vậy đó.
Ừ.
Show that there's another collision between A and B. Mình phải show ra rằng giữa cái A và cái B nó có một cái va chạm nữa. Interesting.
Ồ, em nghĩ cô bé khó rồi.
It's hard. Move the same direction. Tại vì khi mà cái B nó collide directly with C thì cái A nó di chuyển về hướng từ nó luôn á.
Ừ.
It's hard.
Dạ.
Okay, so I think this one is just really hard. And they say, okay, B, they say use the conservation of momentum for B and C. And then you found out that V equal to 4. and VA is bigger than VB. So of course there's another gonna be another collision. Tại vì cái VA sau này á nó lại nhanh hơn là cái VB sau này, cho nên là chắc chắn là kiểu gì nó cũng sẽ đụng vào nhau thôi.
Mhm.
So it's just how they show it, you know. Okay, and then let's see. A and B coalesce during this collision. What is this collision? So it is the second collision. That's what I talk about in question B. Sau cái va chạm ở câu B á, thì là cái A and B nó sẽ đụng, nó sẽ hợp vào nhau luôn. Find the total loss of kinetic energy of a system due to the three collisions. Bây giờ ba va chạm đi. Kiếm cái tổng mất của cái KI, của cái động năng của hệ thống này luôn, do là ba cái va chạm này. That's 5 marks. So 5, 4, 3, and 2 is like 10 marks.
Sure.
It's a lot. Let's do it. Okay, fine. Okay, let's just check the mark scheme. Find us the speed of B after the collision. So first thing first. Question A, it's like VA is 5, VB is 10. Do you get it?
Mhm.
And then for B is gonna collide with C, but C it's not moving. So that's why 2 kilograms times 10 plus 0 is gonna be this V, it's gonna be the speed of B final, right?
Yeah.
Cái V này là cái vận tốc của cái B sau cái va chạm thứ hai. After the second collision, this is a V, and then did they say B and C moves together with the same speed? Did they say that?
Same speed. Just same direction.
But with 1/3 the speed of C. So that's why C it's like 1 kilogram, yeah. But why is there 3V here? Because V is only 1/3 the speed of C now. So it means the velocity of C is 3 times velocity of B. You know? Tại vì bây giờ cái 1 kg của cái xe thôi, nhưng mà cái vận tốc của cái xe nó gấp 3 lần cái vận tốc của cái B lúc này rồi, cho nên nó 3V là giống như nè, you know. Cho nên
Mhm.
là 2 kg của cái B này nhân cho cái V là cộng với 3V, cuối cùng nó sẽ ra được là V bằng 4. Đó chính là cái vận tốc B sau cái va chạm thứ hai. Xong rồi vận tốc B và va chạm thứ hai là 4 đi, nó nhỏ hơn cái vận tốc A, nó vẫn đang di chuyển là 5 đi, thì kiểu gì thì một thời gian sau thì cái A bắt kịp, right?
Yeah.
So of course A will catch up with B afterwards because it's 5 and it is 4 meters per second. Yes. And then for part C, when the two collide with each other, I mean when A and B coalesce during this second collision, sau cái va chạm thứ hai thì là A B nó hợp lại nhau luôn. Well, no, this is a third collision. Đây là cái collision số thứ ba chứ. So, okay. So conservation momentum, um, cái A và cái B nó hợp lại nhau luôn, mà cái A là nhiêu ta? Cái A là 4 kg, cái B là 2 kg, cái C là 1 kg. Ok. Cái này là cái số 4 kg là cái A nè. Nhân cho cái vận tốc của nó VA là 5 nè, trên đây nè. Rồi cái này 2 kg của cái B nè, xong rồi nó nhân cho cái vận tốc sau, cái vận tốc này là của cái B là 4 nè. Đâm vào nhau thì hai cái này nó sẽ cộng, nó sẽ đi cùng với nhau luôn. Là 6 kg, nhưng mà nó sẽ có một cái vận tốc mới, right?
Yeah.
Thì cái V này thực sự là cái V mới nè. Nó chính là 6 nhân cho cái V mới, và mình sẽ tìm được cái V mới là sau cái va chạm thứ ba này, nó là 14/3 là khoảng 4,666 gì đó. Ok, so cái Y lúc ban đầu là nó chỉ có là một mình cái A nó đâm vào thôi, right?
Yeah. Right.
Cho nên là cái Y lúc ban đầu chỉ có mỗi là tính được cái A thôi. Half mv square nè. V của nó là 10, is it 10 at first? Oh yeah, 10. So half mv square. Oh my god, I can just zoom it. because if I zoom, this is going to be what happened, this advertisement annoying. I cannot put on full screen because there's something wrong with this page. Ok, cái e final thì bao giờ final nó chỉ còn cái gì, nó sẽ còn là cái cục mà AB cộng với nhau là 6 ký nè, half m nè, thì mình phải nhân cho cái velocity của hai cái cục đó nó cộng lại với nhau là cái này 14/3 này nè, bình phương half mv square, mà phải cộng cục C nó chứ, là half m là một, cái vận tốc của cái C là bao nhiêu ta, nó nói là từ cái câu B mình biết được là cái vận tốc của cái B sau va chạm thứ hai nó chỉ bằng có 1/3 cái vận tốc của cái C, đúng không ta, cho nên là cái này
Ừ.
12 nè, you see,
Yeah.
nó sẽ là 12 bình phương lên đó, xong rồi cuối cùng là loss of KI, lấy KI final trừ cho cái KI lúc ban đầu thôi, thì nó sẽ ra được là 188/3. Nói chung lấy hai cái trừ nhau mà thấy cái sau á, nó thấp hơn cái ban đầu là coi như là loss rồi đó.
Yeah.
Just take like final minus initial, and then if you see there's a negative value, there's a loss, and then that's it. Let's try to do it again. I mean, all right, so yeah, how much you find? It's the loss KE, it's 188 divided by 3 is gonna be 62.7 joules, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, okay, very good. Now let's go to number 5. A car of mass 1250 kilograms is moving on a straight road. On a horizontal section of a road, it cars a constant speed, so of course A equal to 0 on this road. And there's a constant force of 560 Newton resisting motions.
Oh.
Calculate the power in kilowatt, okay? Remember, kilowatt. The
Mm-hmm.
power developed by the engine of a car. Kiếm cái power nó thôi. I think, okay, remember, there's a constant speed, so no acceleration here.
Ủa,
However,
power là F tam V là xong đúng không thầy?
yeah,
Ừ.
but power has to be driving force times the distance it travels. But of course, there's another formula. Sorry, F times V, F times V, but this is not that F, right? Isn't it?
Ừ.
Nó phải là driving force, chứ không phải là resistance force. Okay, so there's another formula. Power equal to what? Work done divided by time, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, so what are you gonna do about this one?
For this one, for A, we need to find out driving force, and then we times with V. So we will have the power, right?
How much can you say again?
Like first, we need to find driving force.
How are you gonna find that? Write the
Uh,
formula down, right?
yeah, we use
And
F
remember that
to.
I think here, you know what? The resistance force is gonna be equal to arriving force because y acceleration is 0 now.
Yeah, acceleration is 0.
Yeah, so okay, so that's why you can find the power. And then given that this power is suddenly increased to this much, find instantaneous deceleration of the car. Bây giờ tự nhiên cái power nó bất thình lình nó tăng, nó giảm xuống là 8 kW. Mình phải tìm
Mhm.
cái sự giảm tốc tức thời của cái car này. So of course the velocity will change too, of course, right?
Yeah.
So acceleration will no longer be 0. You have to write down like the formula again. And this is 3 marks. And then on a section of road incline, but you know incline at sign -1 is 0.096 at the horizontal. The resistance to the motion of the car is this much. Minus speed of the car is this much. The car travel up this section up the road at constant speed and engine working at 60 kilowatts. So it's gonna be like this one and then going up like this. So sine -1 of 0.096 is gonna be 5.5 degree. 5,5 độ đó.
Mhm.
Okay. Engine working at this much. Find its constant speed v is 5 marks. I don't think it's that hard. It's just
Yeah, this one.
it's just
Yeah.
long. Okay, and then what do we have? We have C as well. Oh no. Okay, let's just do the first. Let's just do number 5, all of them. All right, so for question number 5A, the driving force is 750, power is 24 kilowatt. You get it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
For question 5A, second, they say acceleration is minus 0.2 because it
Mm-hmm.
decelerate.
Yeah, yeah, correct.
0.2. For question 5B, the velocity should be 25.
Yeah.
You got 25?
Yeah, because it has two solution.
There are two solutions.
Yeah, there are two
It has là
solution.
không đúng rồi. There are là is. There are two solutions.
Yeah, there are two solution. And then I choose the positive one because the second answer is minus 300.
You can't, it has to be a positive something, right?
Yeah.
Because we talk about speed, not velocity. So it has to be a positive number. Okay, so look at this one. Particle move P moves in a straight line. Velocity V meter per second at the time t is given by this. Okay, for t from 0 to less or equal to 5, this one. But you can also apply this equation too if t equal to 5, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
from 5 to 7, you apply this one. But at 7, you can apply this one or this one. It's all correct. Đúng cái tay bằng 7 là hai cái này đều đúng nha.
Let's see.
Okay, but from t equal to 7 to 13.5, it's this one only. Now, sketch the velocity time graph for t from 0 to 13.5. Velocity time graph. So, how are you going to do this? Sketch cái hình vẽ của nó dựa vào mấy cái công thức này nè. Like based on this one.
Oh, really?
And they say that what? Correct for weird, right?
Yeah, this is
Weird.
weird.
Oh my God. Nói chung so velocity per time graph. Okay, so you have to write meter per second. T is second. Okay, so from 0 to 5. This is going to be 10. This is going to be 13.5. Let's just say that. So it must end here. So this is 5. So there should be 7 somewhere here. Okay. So the first one, it's a linear equation, right? And the
Yeah.
last one also linear. So if t equal to 0, v is 1. So somewhere here. If t equal to 5, then v is 11. So let's just say okay, not drawn to scale though. Okay, so for the second equation, it's a parabol. Oh no, is it the parabol or something? No, it's exponential equations. Cái phương trình thứ hai nó sẽ exponential. Cho nên là nó sẽ bây giờ if t equal to 5, it's also correct. So it's gonna be 36 minus 25.
Mm-hmm.
So 11 also. So also start from here. I'm just going to use another column because why not? Okay, so from 5 to 7, let's say you have 6. Let's say 5.5, okay? Okay, so 36 minus 5.5 square is going to be 5.75. So like half of that, nearly half of that. Somewhere here. And then for 6, 36 minus 6 square, it's going to be 0. So the second point when it's a 6 should be there. When t is 6.5, let's say it's going to be minus 6.25. So all the way down here. And if t equal to 7, it's going to be minus 13. Wow. Oh, I'm out of this paper though. So if I do
Oh,
this, it's just gonna go down this way. You can use decimals for this one, I think. Beautiful free math. Okay, so 36 minus x squared. It's gonna be something like this.
mm-hmm.
36 minus x squared, but you just have to take from 0 to 5, okay? Nói chung là cứ vẽ nó ra thôi. Sketch to me. Okay, and then find acceleration at the instant when t equal to 6. You know what to do.
Mm-hmm.
Find the total distance traveled by p in the interval. This one's going to be long. Tổng cái khoảng cách travel by p trong cái khoảng này. Alright, and that's all about this paper.
Oh, I see.
And we can end earlier, I think. All right, so parts A, assume that you did it right. Find the acceleration at the instant when t equals to 6. So
Yeah,
basically, by differentiating, you should get to, oh my God. By differentiating, you should get to a equal to minus 2t, and so a equal to minus 12. Okay.
yeah, correct.
And for part C, oh my God, what's this? Part C
It,
is complicated.
no, you just differentiation is
Differentiation. Okay. Okay, but I don't know where's the result. It doesn't show.
you cannot move there.
I can't.
Whoa.
And when I put on full screen, it's like file not found. It's weird. And when I try to download it, the file is still there. It doesn't let me download. It's weird. I think it's the file
Whoa.
problem. Anyway, let's
I
just
see.
maybe end it here, maybe.